And one of the fascinating things, the wee personal stories about this boat is, what do you hear this? There's a lady called Lee Wachtstetter, and her nickname is Mama Lee. Now Mama Lee could well be looking out at me. She was aged 88 in 2016 whenever the article was written about her. So she's 90 now if she's still alive. And she is a full-time resident on this ship. She's been a full-time resident for the last 10 years. And she lives on the ship. She lives in a superb suite, and she pays 170,000. Not too sure whether it's dollars or pounds, but 170,000 of them a year for the privilege of staying on this beautiful boat. And you know, that is not just as bad a deal as what you might think, because whenever you take into account medical care, food for every day, rates, driving a car, you know, all this kind of thing, you know, $170,000 or pounds to travel all over the world in luxury and all your needs catered for, and no worries about burglars or anything like this. You know, it's maybe not such a bad deal. I don't know. The Crystal Serenity. And this is a picture of Mama Lee whenever she was 86. And I'll put a link to the web page of this article because it makes interesting reading.